We have a lot of futuristic people here. We have scientists trying to evolve new technology, new product for our users. We have manufacturing facilities that they're always trying to figure out a way to do the things better in next model and etc. I think one of the concepts of Össur is that life without limitation. So we kind of get inspired to have IT without limitation, figure out a new way to serve IT to the business in a way that they can serve their customers.
We looked at various technologies, but we saw with hyperconverged that we could move away from a lot of the legacy hardware that was out in the market. So now for us, the next evolutionary step for us is to move fully in on a cloud. And that's what we aim to attain within the next 6 months.
We have a distributed workforce around the globe, and they all need consistent and secure access to our data. We are trying to boost mobility within our workforce so they can use whatever device anywhere and access our data in a secure manner. With Citrix, you get consistent user experience regardless of the device you're using.
We try to use Citrix whenever it fits into the business needs. Currently, we're working on a deployment where we are moving our CAM/CAD drawings into Citrix, where we have our engineers working through Citrix, and we use Azure and Citrix together to make that possible. We're trying to move all of our design work into Citrix. There are two main benefits to this. Number one, security. This allows us to make sure that our IPO does not go outside of the virtual data centers that we have built. And number two, we can bring a lot more resources to these designers that we don't necessarily have on legacy hardware. Maintaining forward momentum ensures that we are always ahead of the curve.
We are both in the medical industry and also in the manufacturing industry, so we need to be compliant and apply to all the regulation.
If we are looking at our clinics, for example, our goal here is to have all of our clinics running through Citrix. The main reason for this is we want to secure all the medical data that travels through our clinics inside of our virtual data centers. We look at Citrix and we see that the technology they bring to the table can help us today and going forward into the future.
We are happy with the Citrix platform we have selected. It's scalable, it's reliable, it's secure, and I think the platform is the vehicle we need to move forward in the business that we are in.